Look at those shoes. I love it. Classy, sassy mom.
Gucci. So
classy, sassy.
Well, actually, guys, we are here at the what's the place called? 5-star. Here you go.
5-star Grand Canyon.
So 5-star Grand Canyon helicopter tours, and we are having a helicopter ride
with champagne.
Guys, I'm gonna utilize the space.
Oh, sorry. I feel like everywhere.
Here.
Okay, cheers to a fun night here in Vegas. Helicopter ride, guys. Sassy.
The KRN. He's like gonna be you and Lauren.
If Mari's like, we can go there.
That's like that, yeah.
I'm like, Mari's like, we can go there after. On the top of the stratosphere.
Oh, yes, definitely, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's not waste.
Yeah, let's not waste it, yeah.
Unfortunately, electronics are not allowed, so I have to keep my camera in the locker, so I can't really film the helicopter ride. You have to abide by the rules, guys, so we'll see you in a bit. Going on a chopper ride. Chopper ride, yo.
We stay in the box, they're gonna.
So, finished the helicopter ride. How was the experience, guys?
It was actually really fun. I liked it. It was better than the small plane I went in before. It was more fun.
It was nice, yeah. Short, but
short and sweet.
Yeah, short and sweet. And I guess it's worth the price because they picked us up.
It was.
So,
a little wait, but we got some champagne, and I would say we had a successful trip.
I know.
I would love food though.
I'm hungry. We're hungry. Meow meow. Hungry?
color of this too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can. I can actually. Yeah.
How many outfit changes?
Hi.
Like and subscribe.
Guys, please like and subscribe. So like, just subscribe. Good morning! Final countdown. Few hours left here in Vegas and we are leaving today. Checking out. Bye Vegas. Look at the mess we left, guys. Haha. Oh, anyway. Till next time. Back home now. Bye Vegas. Smell you later. Smell you later. Smell you later. Bye Vegas. We'll smell you later. Getting donuts. Shaka. Donuts for the win. Good. She's gonna flip with that.
Gonna have. Tell her I got her that
Yes,
one.
girl.
Tell her it's from me.
It's from Michelle. Or she'll say BBG.
Huh?
BBG because I call you BBG.
Oh, she called me BBG.
Yeah.
Tell her it's not BBG.
Oh my God! Look at these donuts, guys. It's crazy.
Look at these. Look at these. Woo! Now Vegas cereal.
Vegas.
I like the porcupine, the chocolate chip.
Try it. How was it?
Donuts.
Who needs diet when you're in front of these delicious donuts? No way. Forget
Sunday
diet.
fun day.
Sunday fun day. So do not even attempt. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I get to show you virtually how Vegas looks like and things that you can do other than play in the casino and clubbing. There are more things to do in Vegas than you thought. I really highly recommend you do the chopper ride and the sun buggy. It's fun. Thank you for watching, and again, please like and subscribe and spread the good vibes, guys. Always spread the good vibes. See you in my next video.